When you're using an orbital sander, always try and sand the whole of your workpiece, because if you don't, when you come to apply your finish, you will notice where you've sanded and where you haven't sanded. I've deliberately sanded this piece of wood in one place but not the other, and as I apply the wax, you'll see that when I get my buffer and buff the piece, there's a noticeable colour difference in where it has been sanded and where it hasn't been sanded. So I hope this has helped you, and if you'd like to see more, please do hit the subscribe and follow button, and if you need any videos doing, then please post in the comments.